Action.
Welcome back to the channel. Here at Total Media today we're working on the Merc. Alright, it's been in storage for a little while, but it needs a little bit of attention. Alright, we've got a oil leak on the driver's side rocker cover gasket. So we've picked up some new ones. We'll show you the issue first and then we'll see whether we've fixed it or not at the end. So let's get started and let's see what the problem is. Just yeet this off and so, as you can see, as soon as there's any heat in the car and the headers get warm, the oil's leaking out of the rocker cover onto the headers, turning into smoke. So we're going to whip them off. It's quite a task. I'm going to do this side, Chris is going to do the other side, and we'll get some new seals in them and hopefully that'll fix the job.
I'm finding peace and melody. I'll survive, yeah. Feeling like love's no longer out of reach. I'll survive, yeah. Even when the sunset deep inside of me. I'll survive, yeah. I work through the blood, sweat, tears, now I believe. I've been jaded by the moonlight. Skyscraper like a spoon, let me scrape the sky. I be trucking if the flavor just ain't right. Sad songs ain't the same in the daylight. Surviving, I guess I'm saying that I got a taste of the dream and it saved my life. Got a taste of the strength that I had inside. It became this mountain I had to climb, but I can't deny. Sometimes I didn't know which way that I should go. It's hard to decide, but inside I knew that I would survive. I knew that I would survive. Now I'm finally free. Feel like I'm finding peace and melody. I'll survive. Yeah. Feeling like love's no longer out of reach. I'll survive. Yeah. Even when the sunset deep inside of me. I'll survive. Yeah. I work through the blood, sweat, tears, now I believe. I sustain cause I pray about it. Dead serious, your boy never play about it. I just climb to the top, what you say about it? And the movement is love, what you hate about it? Homicide do the most to the fam and no one's clearing the air. Everyone survived but no one getting repaired. When the light shine the brightest, you know I'm keeping it clear. And when everything is gone, the realest ones will be here. Sometimes I didn't know which way that I should go.
We've been rained off for a minute. Typical. That's what you get for trying to work on cars in January in the UK.
It's a nice fresh new hoodie you got, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Talking of the new hoodie, DRM, new partnership for Total Media. So we've linked up with this clothing brand. They're a local brand in the Midlands, run by two great people, Bill and Erin, and their brand is designed to raise awareness for mental health. So we've linked up with them. They're working on a few collaborations with us as well on some new clothing coming up. So we've got some new hoodies coming out for the channel, so keep an eye out for them. And yeah, we'll in the future be representing DRM clothing. So link in the description, check them out, and any money raised for them, it's for a good cause. Yeah, I've got an Amazon Associate account. So from that job, that we did on the range, yep, I linked every toolkit, yep, to the Amazon Associate channel. Basically, if they buy, we get a bit in it, and then it shows you how many people have actually clicked on it, and then how many people have bought. It's pretty decent, to be fair. And all of that video that we did, no one's bought it. No one's even clicked on.
I'm sure someone's clicked it.
Yeah, it tells me whether someone's even just clicked that link. So we haven't even had a single link, bro. So what, man, our audience is small at the minute. We're a niche market, aren't we? Did you see though? 161 subscribers. I'm not decent.
Oh.
This one first. Push that button the other way.
Oh,
Other way now. Push it from the outside.
that's impossible.
No, it's not. I just did it earlier. Push it from the other side. Opposite side to where you are now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's nothing there. It's solid bracket.
What are you flinching for, bro?
What you like? Solid. Oh. You do your side's on the outside? It is on the outside. Just like that.
One of the best features of the car.
I'm not used to cars you have to keep cracking the bonnet open.
But they're no
I'm a warranty guy.
They're no fun. They're no fun, are they?
What, just get in it, turn it on, it gets you to where you want to be.
Well, you're having a YouTube channel with that, eh?
Just like, goodness. Rain started again.
Actually.
Yeah.
But inside I knew that I would survive. I knew that I would survive. Cause I'm finally free. Feel like I'm finding peace and melody. I'll survive, yeah. Feeling like love's no longer out of reach. I'll survive, yeah. Even when the sun set deep inside of me. I'll survive, yeah. I work through the blood, sweat, tears, now I believe. Climbing to a new height. This mountain is home. Starstruck by the moonlight.
Hop, hop, hop.
Uh-oh.
He gonna drop it. I know.
Yeah, boy.
I'll make it, I know. Climbing to a new height. This mountain is home. Starstruck by the moonlight. I'll make it, I know.
The job's basically impossible, bro, with the core packaging.
I wanna take you out of your head right now. Let it go. We can roll it up when the sun goes down. Take it slow. Give it time, it'll pull us under. Throwing shots like she in a jumper. Make me sweat, she the heat of summer. I just can't cool down.
That's what we're saying, bro. Dream car. Any car on the market today. What would you have?
Is it a daily? Is it a weekend car? Track car?
Well, let's imagine like all rounder. So you can only have one. Or someone's saying, "I'll buy you any car you want."
The Aston, yeah.
DBX.
Yep.
Shouts.
Urus is too common.
As an all round.
Range Rovers don't like fixing them. Porsche. Porsche is sick. She doesn't look that special.
So you're saying, just as the all rounder, Aston DBX, which kind of does a bit of everything. It's fast.
Yeah. Big boot.
Shut the kids in the back. What about if you had?
No, what you would, Amy?
If I was going to go, I could only have one.
Yeah.
Oh no, I wouldn't. I'd have a Cullinan. That'd be mine. I'd have a Cullinan. If I could only have one. And then,
That proper sort.
not so much subtle, but it does everything. I mean, they are relatively quick. Got all the SUV benefits. Plus you get all that comfort. So if it was a one car dream garage, you're having Aston DBX and I'm going Cullinan.
Yeah. 2-car garage.
So now we can afford 2 car. So it's 2-car garage, we can have a daily, does all the business. And then
DBX. And then the GT2 RS. GT2.
yeah, shall. I'd probably have unlimited budget. I'd have a Cullinan and a Shearer. Drop a comment. Your 1-car and 2-car perfect garages. I've gone 1-car Cullinan. Chris has gone DBX. 2-car garage. I've gone Cullinan and a Shearer. And Chris has hit the DBX and a GT2 RS. Good shouts, to be fair.
I can make time, call me obsessed, stuck in your gravity. Body so hot, gotta confess, I'm loving this energy. And honestly, mine, like you can't believe you probably get this all the time. I'm loving this energy. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Need a moment, gotta catch my breath. I've been running, trying to match your step. Burning up, now I feel the fever. Ma said that she a keeper. Triple threat in a double feature. She gon' break your neck. I can make time, call me obsessed. Stuck in your gravity. Body so hot, gotta confess. I'm loving this energy. And honestly, mine, like you can't believe you probably get this all the time. I'm loving this energy. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Pretty face and she gets good grades. Out of college just trying to get paid. Bags packed and she moving out of state. Nothing in the way, nothing in the way. Give it time, she gon' pull me under. Set off in the heat of thunder. Always making everybody wonder what she gon' do next. I can make time, call me obsessed. Stuck in your gravity. Body so hot, gotta confess. I'm loving this energy. And honestly,
Right then, so that is rocker cover seals replaced. So let's see if we've, well, number 1 if she starts, and number 2 if we fix the problem. So it starts. So we just gotta let it get a little bit of heat build up and then see whether we got that smoking issue like we had before. So after all that, we've got exactly the same issue as what we started with. So we're going to have to investigate that a little bit further. It could be oil that's come out during the fix and that's still on the manifold, or it could be a bigger issue. I'm going to give it a quick run and we'll see where we're at. So that's another win for the Amazon mechanics. After letting it run for a bit, I think we just got a bit of oil on the manifolds when we was taking the rocker covers off. So that all seems to be running sweet now. So that's finished for today. We've got a couple of good videos coming up. Obviously the Panda's gone now. Hopefully the new owner enjoys that as much as the previous owner did, especially now it's all running nice. whatever that noise is, you might find out next week. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe. We're going to introduce the new car to the channel, which is the car that's going to be going on the Cannon run in the spring. So we've got a few bits to do on that first, and then that'll be ready for a nice little trip. So stay tuned. Thanks everyone for watching. Remember to subscribe. Remember, DRM, new clothing brand. We've got some more work on the Range Rover coming up as well, because that's going soon. So keep an eye on that one, and hopefully the Merc will be back up and running, and we've got some good mods coming for that as well. So see you next week. Have a good one.
Ask Joe what you asked me. What did you ask me about his Mercedes?
I was just wondering if it was diesel.
Can't believe you finally get this all the time. I'm loving this energy.